Welcome everyone to ECM 273 National Electrical Code Interpretation. I'd like to go over your quiz number 8 solutions. Question 1, the earth is a reliable low impedance path for current flow. That's false. Remember, the earth, depending on if it contains moisture and mineral content, in one instance can behave as a low impedance, in another instance, if it is very dry, can behave as a very high impedance. So that's false. Question 2, a gas pipe can be used as a grounding electrode. That's false. Absolutely never can the gas pipe be used as an electrode. The gas pipe is always bonded to the electrical system, but never used as an electrode. Question 3, an 8-foot ground rod can be used as a grounding electrode. That's true. Question 4, the neutral is often referred to as the grounded conductor. That's true. Question 5, EGCs, equipment grounding conductors, and neutral conductors can be landed in the same location in a subpanel. That's false. The only location where the neutral and equipment grounding conductors share the common point of termination is in the main service entrance equipment. Question 6, the skin on our body can behave as both an insulator and a conductor based on conditions. That's true. Question 7, Article 250 of the National Electrical Code discusses grounding. Question 8, describe the purpose of the equipment grounding conductor. If there is an insulation failure in a metal box or an enclosure, for example, the purpose of that bare copper wire or that green insulated copper conductor is to provide a low impedance path of ground fault current back to the system neutral block to open the overcurrent protective device, the circuit breaker or fuse, so that metal enclosure is never electrically hot. Question 9, in your vehicle, which post of the battery is connected to the chassis, and explain why. In your vehicle, the negative terminal or negative post of the battery is connected to the chassis. It's called a negatively grounded system, so all of the negative points of attachment for electronics are connected to the metal frame, and that serves as a common conductor to bring that current back to the negative post of the battery. And then lastly, question 10, a few code cycles back, a device called the intersystem bonding termination was introduced. Explain its purpose. Well, let's first define the intersystem bonding termination from Article 100 in the code. Intersystem bonding termination, a device that provides a means for connecting intersystem bonding conductors for communication systems to the grounding electrical system. So for example, utilities in a home or residential dwelling unit, Comcast, Verizon, DirecTV, for example, we want to bond all of those conductors to one location, that intersystem bonding termination. Thank you.